Yes, people, the day after the storm, you know? Day after the storm. Everything champer. Everything champer. Chisel, uncle.
Yes, that's what we win that. See what we win that. We blow up for your house, yeah.
Just so the count of the people that were running and see nobody missing. Make sure if anybody missing bigger.
No, pirates are coming from that end.
Everybody alright. Oh.
The United States, you say make a trip on road with the one yesterday. You have to tell me the tree. No, he make two drive out there. Two drive out there. They go clear.
Are you going to clear the road, boy? Are you going to clear the road? Okay.
The road back down there. River road block.
Don't come back to me. Don't get it, boy. You push me.
Drop them off. Drop them off.
Alright.
There you go.
Boy, the coffee stop.
Your car is down.
Are close to come back part of it though? Yeah, they have flattened.
Where's the little Richie?
Are close to come back part of it though?
How do you come on here? I walk up and down the video terrace. Last time I see the drive, so I say, watch duty.
You see me?
Over there, you see a blood clot England in there. In the hand of cover, I see me at the drive now. Watch a one, watch a tree there, watch a tree there.
And everyone. Stop. They started on. Oh, no, man.
Oh, it didn't move.
No, they don't know the address.
Category 4.
I've got that judgment powder make it.
Dominic? Yeah. Let me cook us bag. Let's see more look.
Rubbish mother shop, I go like dog dead.
Morning. Yes,
Here's the reserve road block.
And something
That's
here.
close and tree.
Never say. Because stuff here ready come down. Mr. We're going to go after storm.
And me go for road and tell them say road, but they must come out of the yard. Where them a go after storm?
I mean, they say, Bobby say, if you feel like you're so about just a storm, you come down already. No, never. They tell you say road block.
I'm going to bottom town now.
Where the bottom
I remember Hurricane Gilbert. The water.
You play a pumpkin?
I don't know, I had him here.
Push yard.
Yard.
Are you planting?
No,
Yeah, but.
I must see him.
don't so.
Can play with him.
Yeah.
Walkie dip. Yeah. Up now, brown mans.
Yeah.
Thing good? Bleaching cream rubber. You ain't wash it. Everything, yeah. Me not want to see the whole place stay there, but boy, not here then. So only all 3 here then, man.
A fucking tree, but we have to take the shot cut, see, cut there. Bad cut it. You can shot here.
Oh, yeah. What good on see?
Alright, one good gun.
Oh, this Nicholas. Damn, boss.
Yeah, but look, the boy do there.
Yes, yes. Marcia.
Next time you wash it.
What's up? There. So I'm going to beat him.
Yes, sir. You know, should I go home yesterday morning? You know, should I go home now that you will say you go do?
I'm make sure it's all right in our country, you know.
Star boy. I'm with a special one.
Wow.
Hello, hello. Yes, Jimmy Dan. Oh. Mr. Bartley.
Present, sir. What's right down on the snow, stop again.
That's not do it. I just want to take slow way. All I have to live out there.
Larry.
The rest, brother, we in a shop and see us to lift up yesterday to blood clot. God no.
I want if it ever come off.
Boy, I say, Father, put it on, put it on, put it on. What? That's a man. This is one that. You hear me in that shop? That's a man. Put it on, brother. Eh? We pass it up the road there. Jumpers every time you see they go boom, boom. I care that they come in already.
Which car?
The blood clot breeze.
Oh.
Come like a car, brother. We not shot yesterday.
I don't see the new person all this time, man.
Yeah, we there so whole time, brother. How much I come left so? How much I come going?
I don't know with Kirby and my man there. If Tyler done that, them on the bar. Yeah.
Brother, we there. You jump left here so. I mean, jump left here so. Me a year, Damien. Damien come from much o'clock to blood clot in a shop till late much o'clock last night.
Hey, I suppose we see everything going on out there.
Yeah,
man. When stamp done, and that time we left one, my name left when stamp done it.
You want to cheese?
Oh, you mean I want you that up? No, we just go up and get green, you know. And everybody there in the yard, man. We are alone out of the road.
At least you have some breadfruit still on the tree there too. And them thing there. Yeah, because they shake up in it.
This man, you see this.
no problem, me just hear them come up, you know.
You see I reserve black up, man.
No, don't be all down so black man road. Down so black, yes, no vehicle for morning. No vehicle don't come through for morning. And then I see how vehicle come from Palma, come up here. You know, say road clear. No blood clot vehicle. All you want me content there. See them content, they park up down a content.
Nothing can go do one day yourself to do it.
Nothing going on.
Come give me one number.
Which one? Give me some type about them boss.
Morning, Christian. You made a call when you
Morning,
put the road.
Desiree.
Good morning. How are you?
Not too
Yeah,
I
bad.
will be from the Nashes.
Yes, Desiree.
I will
Yeah,
stop
Desiree,
gone,
Desiree.
we're drinking red stripe, babe.
Shut up, man.
Look at the place, but we still have to crawl under this way.
September. I started one Friday.
I'll give me some boss.
At,
Yeah, give me that one.
and this is a place, wait. And this is a you're in charge.
Oh, okay, I used one last night. You like anything, huh?
I'll be right there. I said, sitting there to blow down. See, look, we can't see a lot float there. We can't see a lot in the lane. You have to keep it away, they chop it down.
Take one for yourself and get jump on, see?
Yeah.
And me?
Cool?
What?
Cool, man.
Good man,
brother.
good man.
Yeah, man, they are doing nothing hot.
Jump on yourself, man.
You go out there, the boss, the boy, you go out there, the boss.
I need this as it.
Yeah, man.
Time me touch your love, man.
You look like a look confused, boy.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Watch your pussy, Clark. Hey, me say every day me dey right nice sickness and me dey see the fruit. You see when me glow and go on that tree and go and look for a jackfruit tree, me can't see it. Peter, and take out on that bed for me, please. Sit here and get fucked with
Why did you put a tree about me? Somebody take you up this boy early because he shake off.
Me a piece of saltfish.
When Mr. Beryl take up this yesterday, leave me alone, man. You can't see what's the master there, you know? You just take it for me, sir.
I want to pay the money.
I been a moment see. You think me say every day me go look for a forget if you cook. Me can't get it. Every day.
A long time if you shake but that's why you can't sit through the place there.
That's 40, man.
Yeah.
All this are good girls, nothing. No.
I think me face and up me no wash it. Me say me dey come. Me say me
Yo,
say me
go
not
down
go in again.
Fear dog and jumper.
I don't dey me go now.
Fear dog.
Man. But they love jumper, man.
You know say me not tell you to talk.
Pilot, nice, like, whoa.
I don't get me one.
Alright, man. Wherever pilot, I don't know where you come from, every fucking thing.
Look and come back. Me soon come back. Me look and come back.
Ah, man.
It was the nearest, so if anything is supposed to come look for me.
You see, but it's something on the finger and a blood.
Where?
Somebody smell that.
So stand there, someone. Stand there, someone.
Nobody can
You have a
go
blood
this
cancer.
morning. Nobody can go nowhere this morning, brother.
I only do a castle.
But then still not. What currently supposed to come what place said you though?
Yeah, man.
Everywhere, man. Everywhere. Every fucking year current gone, brother. Everywhere.
So you don't make no sense.
Can watch that? No. No, but remember, say most of these places have the generator.
Like hotel on the place, yeah. Still off.
Hey, go leave me alone, man.
But I look at you, look at you.
Alright.
But maybe. There's a load of
You find yesterday for early, man, you can't sit down a yard.
I bought a chair them shit.
Early, you can't sit down there.
Back then you couldn't see.
You couldn't see nothing, you couldn't see. I was only going to party and sit there, dog.
I saw every place.
Be able to now. Yeah. Go on, man. Be outside.
Could I really see no doubt, you know? Good, man.
I see what going for next part of Ireland. If up so on them places. Oh, Kingston and St. Catherine and all them places.
Them place the most
Them
kind of
place, yeah
water.
man. Them places more. Other things like East Africa was come from them side though. St. Andrew and them places.
We can't know because we don't know nothing for watch nothing.
Nothing at all. I don't know until I don't for the weekend or whatever.
I'm on you can
Radio.
have TV. I radio.
Radio.
Radio. TV.
Oh, you watch TV? One Del Cup.
That's right.
Come on,
But people could no battery radio. They don't know battery radio in the time. Nobody do battery radio again.
Eugene.
Certain people, 1 and 2 man, they're sitting there right now, can't play that.
I'm sure I want somebody have one right now. Eugene.
And shoulder.
Thank you. Boy. I saw my back again. So last night I didn't sleep, brother. No, I'm not doing anything.
Why?
Come here. Come here.
More time I have to rush him, and I say, no, look, no more time, no watch it. Somebody will bite up his slippers.
Hey, girl, you can't be
Two time in the mid part, I go sleep to blood clot and wake up back about nice 7 o'clock. Because never time the most thing when I blow that even, no.
In the rest,
man.
7 o'clock you
just-
sleep.
No, man, I tell
You
you
come
when it's
about
time,
7
Malik,
o'clock
man.
or 8
It's
o'clock.
5
Tell me,
o'clock.
bro. Then I tell you, so tell me go sleep, man.
And then I tell you out so at 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock when the breeze are licky. Hard
That's
breeze.
when I even time because it start,
Oh,
it
well.
most like blow.
You see how when I tree drop on the house stuff, they say to Peter, I say, Peter, I sit not tear down the Peter and say, no, a breadfruit. So when you look out there and see happy tree. When you look out there, you power again. Breadfruit tree. Apple tree. It is a trumpet tree.
Bumbo clad. Apple tree on it, so.
Your video, eh?
Yeah, good video.
Video, eh, tell them, man. I can see a video now and send you your counsel. I'm sure I'm not reach you.
God. Well, I start with you, theater, man. Body good off. The body good off try to reach out to me, they don't want can't.
Nobody can get it.
Yeah.
Everybody is telling me to go down. Nothing can go on from the face side of
Man must go say something.
Yeah.
Yeah, the day after the storm. People remember, like, subscribe to the channel. It's a new channel. Like and subscribe. The day after the storm. Chulani with them one. Chulani. Well, we give thanks, you know. Because it could have worse. Most no house no blow down. Just some tree. Yeah. No house no blow down. Nobody not dead on this side, yeah. We don't know what going on for the next side, but we give thanks. Because it could have worse. Remember people, like, share, subscribe for the thing. Cause it no cost nothing for to subscribe. See? Free, yeah. And that me I tell you, me ain't go, tell him, and that me I tell Jumper say, I left mommy and Kirby talking in the living room. You know in there.
Mr. Kirby live over here and come about.
Yeah, we have for morning. Before it start blow. Even for the night before we not care about things. Me have to, the place where you know, if you go solve yourself, I try to help him to blow out the clock. You don't take one help yourself, brother, more. You can help other people, but you need a strength.
Kirby.
Yeah, man.
You know what Kirby said, man? Kirby said, me, when me ready to start my thing, it will kick off one time big. You just act like madman. You have to act like madman sometimes. But they say you have nothing. That means you have things. That means someone play bag of
Kirby,
cola.
no, chat.
Me say I say bag of
Yo,
cola,
listen,
but
man.
food.
Listen, Richie. You don't live here, man. Let me tell you something. Listen, listen. I don't start Kirby the time.
Talk no blood clot.
No, sometimes matter. Me don't have no money.
Yo, let me tell you something. Either me or they are no bumbo clock, man.
Nobody no man say bomb clap. Listen.
Yo, Richie, you know, we tell you
Man, we
for
have money in there, you can see.
Yo, but I feel like country and I'm an easy place, never. Now go to country exclusive.
Yeah, man, that's a slow man.
Everything you put
You could have found when the wall up down so you not make no money said way.
Now
You
country.
have a skill in our
Oh.
country. You have a skill in our country.
Yeah, I want to make some big some gelatin and go out some. I tell you no say a Clinton boy this up.
No, man, I'm a kid boy. This
Oh,
one.
I seen your mother. Janet, oh, seen. Oi, Jerry, I want you, man. Janet, boy. Janet. Madusa. See what I put that shirt.
No,
I see Jack boy in a white shirt. There, I say.
Uber boy?
No Jack boy.
No, sir. A raga pitney, man.
I raga pitney.
Let's say film jumbo clear pitney and Jack pitney.
A raga pitney.
No, Richie sister pitney.
No Jack pitney.
A Jack
Oh,
pitney. A Peter.
I mean, that man, it's the men
I
there.
rough with the two of them, I bomb buck like rougher.
Well, they got the
I
blood.
rough with the two of them, I
They
rougher.
got the blood test
No,
one.
rough with me, jumper. But I rough with two of them, I
They
rougher.
got the blood test
He mess
too.
our feet, he mess our feet.
Got the blood test. Cause blood test easy to do these days, you know.
DNA.
DNA.
Let's look on the
Yeah, we have more video DNA.
In that film, fear raga, yes, but when I tell when fear, when I tell when collecting growing a raga site, I know, but when I tell when fear jack, no blood clot.
Raga.
My little boy.
But in the family, raga and jack.
How this one?
I went to sleep on some.
Eh?
That's already.
See the lick for him blood clot.
Let's see what you take yourself.
You have to dance it now, you see what I'm doing? You know what I'm doing?
Cleaning
You're gonna
tire.
style him. You're gonna style him.
Cleaning tire.
Right now, you know, but he's just
That's
getting
what
him.
that I look good. I first me see him so near.
Yeah, national wife, man.
Tell the man man about
See, son, the behind him. National son. National be funny about 15 or something.
When I go to school.
When I go to school.
Much you left on time.
Oh, this is Mr. Johnson.
I'm forcing the lefty.
Sir Johnson, Mrs. Johnson.
25 years.
Why? Cause
A cheese, man. Put it there.
find years to come like in no use, bro.
Right now, we'll have me cramp.
Yes, Michelle. What's me a say for me there? Big up yourself.
I do it
Yo.
last night, Michelle.
You know me?
Young jelly no.
You have to go to extra.
I this man, me I tell you, say come like me feel like I force me what I talk with my mother and feel like man. But me I walk hard, what me I do?
That's a beer.
I slide, me slide,
Early,
man.
man.
Me put slide. Slide, me put slide on my yard.
You feel the one and
All them meat the pan for Johnson, I put use up.
Hey, yo, you have to put some meat. Come here, fire, go to the wall.
Oh, we come some meat.
That's it.
This is my meat
Some
now.
meat coming down.
Well, let me have free chip.
Yeah, Dian said, me I sell the kind of 201.
Boba.
Yeah, this is a miss, it's in my bed last night over.
I want to feel you.
But they're not current for a long time. Before storming and so.
That one is nice. We'll find a man to use up in the idea. Yeah, you that? Oh, you mean? I find a man to use up.
All this time, I best time of finish.
Yeah, so you lick out it. You go buy gas.
You can't see how long I yard.
I want to
Buy
say.
car, no police can't trouble you today, no?
I man, if I shoot up still want to say.
Don't apprentice.
When you start first, start you in the first part, I look up a Peter, and I say, I'm good thing to
Michelle, I want to drink.
No, man.
You're right.
What's your meat, Chris?
No, listen. That one is not listening. I met them. I want to follow back. Come start ramping me. Exactly.
Why, boy, I go to my place, I know how fucking service going
don't
on.
know why not service. Yeah? Alright, I want to tell everybody something. And when I say if you get to love you,
Morning.
Good, how long you go?
watch when you sit down, Nashi, and lay down. I'm like mountain. And lay down like some like the original dog.
I want that man to say, lay down. Come on, dog. War, man. The old war single and so. You have a table pearl, you know.
Yeah, one dog. The man die, I want to have a
You can't tell us how one dog protect you more than a man dog.
They don't left your yard, you know.
Then I left here.
All them man have to come here.
Yeah, boy, man, want to come here.
All I have to come here. Woman, I must you
I'll do one jelly man dog. We can't do blood. For real.
Yeah, Mr. Philip, Mr. Pat Brownie.
So that them, you know, they love to pass the pussy. Michael and next one. Michael can't, nobody can do Michael anytime, you know, calculating coming in, brother. As Michael come into blood clot, the dog them run Michael man you. But like them want to take Michael out of the bus.
And there's some people who give, you know, yeah, they tell them.
I tell them, nobody tell about the dog. Come man, the dog can't bite you.
Yeah, man.
Nobody tell you that in real life.
Watch your dog move first.
Hey, National. Dog white, this, you know, dog white, this. Don't mess up, Miss Gail. Don't flash him. So when the boy, I'm going to go buy meat. I'm going to forget. And then I butter me on. I jump on backside. For real. Them big old blood clots in there for miss you, say me go buy meat down there. Now if I can go get injection out of a thing.
It's about 15 or out of supermarket.
No, but if I want dog without no teeth, me no go inside him.
I tell you, nobody tell about come in and bite you. 15 or out of supermarket. And Mousy just come out and carry and say, what go on man? And Mousy say, give me a beer there, Junior. And Mousy walk past, and goes up, and grab him 9 foot. Tear out him if he can't go to the doctor.
Through mouse.
What do you mean?
Over there.
Vivian boy. Well, below
he will like he tend somebody and want to come make him live him to rot in
I can't
like.
I can't emotion and foot him.
And he always like he dog always like troublemaker, you know. They know troublemaker, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Watch him. Start pre.
Even if you don't fling off him, you know it.
When can't fling,
You know, support likes him.
Dog close to you, man. Very close.
Peter and your dog, one like last night the back. Peter, when Peter wake up his man, he say he shot, bro. And the whole of the out so he talk. And the dog go mess up. If the man go broke the shop, come here and the chat with you know. The dog start
back.
Yeah, man. And him, you know, so you see, you know.
You do something you have to do, you know?
You do something you have to do, right.
Dog have sense, man.
Like if you notice, like no, the dog mess up. And you touch before the morning, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, and a dog see you they come. You take for yourself, you know. Because you know, some of what you do on the road, you don't feel your time. But if I know you just pass you, or you pass it. And you don't study animal, man. You study it for free.
But when you say dog, I'm on best friend.
Alright.
That me know. That me know dog I'm on best.
Tony walk through the village, man. Every dog back after him. Say, Tony, you do something alright. Say, Tony, every dog you back after you. So either way you see them, you rush them. Or you walk towards them.
Yeah. For real, because they see how hours of night, you know. Them see your data, they will back away, say, do you?
You know, if you drop it. Depends how it's stay.
Pull out.
You have to take off, man. You have to take off, you have to come again.
I tell you one and pull out. See car one next up. If you two make one, come and see me.
So I'll bite that on it then.
Film. I'm a film. How much work you have?
I feel man, I hold one that. I hold one.
You have to come down, me say.
You wait till they plan this, have to come down. Right now,
If you legally for me, you're going to jump in the head to rot
right
it.
now you have to take your bike right. I know you walk on it, I can't give you, you know.
Yes, I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll say me I move on.
Test this morning, now give you some. Tear down this bomb buckler.
You pull on like you all over there so you can pull it down, man.
You have to tear them, listen. Am I done? You have to just tear it down. Isn't it?
You better feel because I post everything go already.
Yeah.
So put in some fresh posts.
Whoop a tree drop, I know you can cut out and whoop a
So I don't get no post also.
Whoop a you can cut out.
Right now I'll get 1 post.
Me say.
So I want to put the breakfast on.
No, put it on. Go and watch. Go and look at your sister.
We didn't come out the breakfast shop, blood clot, listen.
For that money. Money, that shirt. No, I carry shirt. To see the what and what to see. One change, man. Because road block for you, you're not going to know. Road block don't so. You can't on the bike. No, the one.
Come to me and say they must say me that's what we sell.
You make a woman come and play, man. Let man really one.
I don't pay.
You beat the island and sitting still.
Yeah, no matter how whole I look put down.
Cut out to my tree about that yard. Cut out last night.
Them blood clot, them save me serious.
Oh, they save you.
I mean,
Then take off a breeze off.
blood clot save the bad man. I ain't talking about.
Tree take a breeze off of you.
Yeah, I want to take off something.
What are you talking about?
Only thing, if you're too near to your house, too near, and then fall away, you know what I mean?
And leave them at your house and the shop. Who will in danger?
Yeah,
So when them take off for your man.
If they have a tree when cut down, might be a zinc stop by the whole thing.
Lift up.
gone.
Yeah, man.
No mouse.
You know most, but
No mouse.
Yo, Father God, no work.
What me-
Father
yeah,
God,
man.
no
She
work.
kept-
Say anything go on.
I want to
No,
be
talk go on.
notice
You
with
don't
you.
talk when you go on.
You always want to write, you know. You never say you're wrong yet. When
Me?
Yeah, you.
What me do wrong?
You always want like you're right.
Them me say tree, them have to cut down.
No,
Danger them.
and if you went cut down, might be man who start gone.
Gone where?
If we did a free flow.
yeah, man.
You know
That
what I
come
mean?
straight on
The
it.
breeze just say this alone.
I sit, hey.
Jump on you know say
The breeze-
I know jump
Hey, the breeze I look sit. I sit the breeze I look fine.
What do you
now.
mean?
And then what I train you?
Yeah, man, the breeze have to something, man.
around your house. Around the shop.
And then
See them?
near
Yes,
one
the
that
one we
take
know
off
when I
the
jump on
breeze.
the shop, a tree front door where I want. You can't stand there.
If you say tree, when you win walk out to Shelton Girl, we go back about 70 church, we will patch tree them. That cutty breeze, you know.
Yeah, man, slow it down.
Yeah,
Sometimes.
You hold it back. You
Yeah,
hold
man.
it back.
Yeah, man, slow it down, man.
It's a bit clear. It's
It's
clear.
clear, it's a come. It's
It's
just
a
a come, man. It's a come. Yeah, man. It's just a come for real. Be on the hill and the tree them, then slow it down.
He'll slow down. He'll slow down the global breeze.
How him Chucky?
Actually, man.
So they say run out of house.
Which house? Which?
But says somebody in Chucky, they say run out of house and
Where?
do it last night.
You can't check the water feet. I see Chucky. You can't show that Chucky.
Me say Chucky. I said me ask who in Chucky.
So close to Chucky.
Maybe a chuck.
The greatest thing that man you see, gonna shine already. Push out, you know.
No, everything. Gone. A Cuba, you know. I want to place.
And this
How many cents did I go with you for? So you got, you know.
We start in back when I go for Mexico.
Back up Miami side or them side, I go, man. Cuba side, they gone, you know.
So you can't keep coming, go up now, wine and go back down I go for Mexico, you know. I see him thing rise up back and they just keep a different name, you know.
I want
every
thing.
time you get Rudy come out, man.
Ones, they patch you right now. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Princess.
Okay, I say, take off your uniform.
Oh,
Ain't just yet.
Tell me what.
Alright. Yeah, man, yes. Boy, they are look good. Take off your uniform.
every time.
It's a bigger, you know.
Good night.
A bigger. I don't have a vacancy, but we never see. I have a vacancy, how do you say, Richie? Maybe I can write it.
Yeah, man, we give thanks. Time come and gone and everything, you know. You see somebody drop out or nothing.
For real, I don't me, no house and blood on.
Yeah, man, Massey was mushroom.
Where she live?
Team called Massey out in house, you know.
Go been chop
Go been drop out 1 tree down there, so.
Phone operator.
No,
No,
man, I just sit there, man.
just stay there with the phone.
There's video.
Oh,
That's what I mean.
man, charge it fully charged, man. Battery pot on there.
Oh,
Oh,
I look for one last time I never saw the can't find.
Where your phone there? Where your phone? Yeah, your phone?
Phone dead.
Battery pack full charge.
Yeah, so we charge for
I mean, if you full charge, you know, but you charge, me can't get to charge your phone for it.
Can't charge your I can't.
I must say 15%. If you want to carry charge, you carry charge.
iPhone full charge.
But last thing you know,
What you say about what's your house? What you say?
no blow it up.
Peter?
Team come call him out in the house, they be helping cut down one blood clot. chop
Move
off
1 tree
tree.
out the road.
Oh,
Team.
Another team called
As
Massey to push
Marcia
the
reach
clot.
down the road and start, I lift up my
Yours.
shit, I house, I flick over.
Lucky. Lucky.
Carry down man's blood clot.
Who call him? Kim?
Sport get this morning.
Team.
Who name Tim?
Tim.
one make one
You're
brother.
not gonna know.
You're not gonna
You're
know.
not gonna know. First time I know him.
Only Rasta.
Team left her
Team effort for a
42
long
years.
time.
42 years,
Well,
about
he
3 years I didn't come back, you know.
Ain't lucky.
So might be feeling cut it.
If you see them call him in a down and dead as blood clot in the house, that can you tear down.
How much point live now, Mr. Silas?
No man, side of shelter them.
You
must have line on the live.
hear me now?
Yeah. Yes, we know. Oh, okay.
Behind line on it.
Oh.
Sonny, see him there.
But me tell you, Sonny run out of house.
And ball out.
Sonny run out of house. I say, Sonny run out of house. Sonny put house on. And come on. And run up on Mary's veranda. And come down one corner and stay so. And I watch him chewing on him. Say, what's up, Sonny? like he catch cold.
Well, last night.
I'm alone.
Yesterday evening, when the breeze are blowing.
Kind of stop, kind of lift. Somebody zinc and kind of lift up.
Yeah, Lord. Are you in the shelter, Sonny?
Yeah. Don't have to go there.
I remember banana tree where they are grown.
One
banana
banana can't hold much.
Banana plant back one by 7 months time and 8 months time banana tree in Nigeria. Look, hey, who are them for now?
Who are them, sir? Go all the way up and attend this morning.
They have to do a chop up and wait till they enjoy them.
Right, dog. Alright, go along have content.
Bun.
You don't know how to use again.
That banana.
Why they chop a ground?
No, say chop out. Only you can plant the big part.
The big part don't I chop.
Chop off and sink the big plant in the
You can't bun, man. You must see banana tree bun, man.
Hey, man. Banana tree, I think a boy for bun.
Full of water, man.
Man, can't bun,
The
man.
man say, why make it quail and bunny? So, what the man say you wanna for them?
2 years that can't blood.
You start to man make jumper. Then you know have to come and say you can't bun.
Right now, for the banana tree, this on the bumbo class. Till
I right there forget you that rat,
He
man.
done dead, so.
No, it did. You
And every time right,
can't spring. If you chop off your top, you
right,
can't
right,
spring.
and shoot.
And shoot.
They're dead for the shooting, I'm saying not dead.
The one of feet saying go make them quail
Monty
and
can't
bunny.
talk any pussy.
Monty a madman in a man. This Monty have.
Yo, who tell him, man? This
Jesus.
Monty, I'm a man in a man.
Can't
Now
come
listen,
like
Monty,
you
no
want me
better.
tell lie.
Monty can't talk.
You want me tell the truth? You want me tell lie?
I say, what I want to
They
say.
can't dry.
Me never tell us, I never tell us about dry man. Some make them quail and bunny.
You better go burn in bumbo class, tell.
You come and kind of see breadfruit to blood clots and war.
Where before there?
You go hide it on the banana.
You are the pen runner?
You come and sit down spot.
This brother, you can't find the brother. So you come and see.
And you go for the van and seat.
But one of that, we shall cut in the blood clot to one take piece of right.
You got to check the breadfruit and chop up top of the machine.
Have a few
The
things.
man said, I'm working at the end of watching and it's not coming.
So you come and see it now. I say, yo, where in there for me? No, take a pee now.
Oh, my God. Wow.
When he call ask me, if you know, say the brother, you go run with bumbo clot. Take away your pussy, while you ask me question like me a boy.
My blood clot breadfruit drop of a tree.
Eh? Yeah, the bumbo, while you get barefoot, I'm on pussy, while you have the blood clot.
Can know something go on in this district, you know. We can know something go on in this district, you know. You?
You're a punkos, you know, man. Ahora punkos! Great man, Andrew. How this up?
Not very. I never get no crash, because I'm not move around for money. No vehicle come across, no vehicle not going no road success. Good on the road, that's alright, but no road success.
She must tear them around those someone. Run for people
You
out.
move and you have to move on second and one third in your vehicle.
Nobody come from below circle, you see what I'm going, eh? Yeah. Don't build you.
Only shot for tooth like I'm goal one time back.
I'm a fuck.
I don't know fuck. I ain't man. I ain't deal. I something man.
You know, man.
Then I tell you say, I look
Keep
you
on
to
make him up. Me no make him up.
you to kick goal for do one zero one time my boy and I
Yeah man, I keep her.
then I tell you say one
I'm
thing we need to
going
Mark face of
to you, you know.
I'm going alright man.
Bumbo clot.
Peter, look at me coming here, look how backlash give me food.
You have to bite him, man.
Don't tell about this guy. You just make use of things. They say a lot of people when they grow up, everybody in grow up man, they have like car, truck, bike. So he just make use of it. So if you give me truck, knowing gone in it, he not come like buju. Yeah. Everything he make use
I'm
of.
going to catch you backlash, you know, man.
Right,
Fuck
yeah.
you bite me up, you know. You come like me alone in my bike.
I'm on to do cook now.
Never bite.
You say where the pussy go, you can't come it.
Princess.
I look, look.
Princess, where you come from?
Look. And get that sweet.
You Everybody have get up and they see right up.
But everybody will take some noise and him broke. Make him go and pass and touch 2 feet and make be nice. Tell him to make nice.
Me put on your breakfast, that's how me no see it.
You what?
That's so.
That must be roll gun.
No, man, no way.
Barrel come back.
Peter na fit take up.
Oh, blood, you know.
You could have put this in the breakfast for the family. How me know that? Right?
That's it.
Mr. Gummy? Yeah. I'm in the other side, go on, start doing.
Yeah, man. That's right.
Imagine up on the pump in there, man. You don't know why you wear food this one.
Yeah, man.
If I realize this, you're going to
And then drink, me bomb up, Monty.
this look good, bro.
I ain't gonna punch it.
Next one day.
Shout him,
You
man.
must pass good on, man.
Shout him, cause no long time pass.
Monty, you know what I know? We really know, so let's take up your breakfast. But you couldn't want the breakfast and put on the breakfast there, sir.
No, man, I see 10 minutes I come and live.
I ain't not tell him body.
You know one about the trouble. I said not tell him.
Blood clot.
You know one about the trouble. Come see man, you got a bunch of banana pan here, you know. Breadfruit and banana go together.
Yeah, the big go cut banana over there, so.
I'm out here trying to make Peter know. I see.
Yeah, man. He not missing nothing to the heart. Oh, it's a roach. You got turn back. You got a format already? Format? Oh, I'm going to pick up my wife.
Anybody take them things? That's how you can.
Your man just put yourself in a trouble in country, yeah?
I see a man go now, we come like Michael alone in Kanka.
Yeah, man, his wife, you know.
Michael. Yeah, man.
Cheese, come take another beer here, man. Maybe you'll find it. Come take another beer.
Anybody find it?
What's the breadfruit here, bro?
I'm not give this in back.
Why you make that?
Yo! The bomb clock, we go to pass on him, go put on one gas right now.
What's our man that, you know?
We go for that, go put on one gas.
You see how I'm beer? Yo, want more beer?
Bird of like 1 week, man.
That drop.
Drop.
I'm not give this boss.
Don't give no mind. That's no more. Can come back him can.
And jump.
You can't be a few service. A weekend, we send you a weekend. You know. Long burial go on every
But
day.
I make sure I tell my woman, say, me nah come up in and you man say, me can't talk man.
If Storm gone, like, you know, eh?
Yeah, you old criminal, yeah. Chat one bag of pork. I buy it for other people there. I sit there at dinner.
But just work me so.
Them bite me, no
Bike
bite.
until man, you keep back and sit up on your
Them
phone.
bite me, but they don't swell up like coffee, you swell up to blood.
You know, me have my skin fuck up, you know.
The skin man chop off, man.
The skin of me have fuck
Bad
up.
skin,
Yeah, man.
Peter make sure you
I don't feel like skin, you know, but it's like anything bite me, so it's swell up fast.
You got one for yourself, too? You got one, yeah?
Yeah, yeah.
Alright.
Well, I'm more curving here.
What?
Maybe it's another one have.
George Bush, the Victor George Bush, we come fast.
George Bush! Don't curve in here.
Maybe pay for one too, you know.
I only man, me know what your cigarette in there, brother. You're mad! You're mad!
Maybe say, see them take
The man never come to in a crowd for $100.
And I show me if it's not say that.
Really, pan that, you know, man, to come back $100, you know. $100 coming like nothing to me, you know.
Bomb clock! What now?
Get more gas, more sauce, and turn on bush.
You can't pass it, don't they?
Anyway, we can't pass, we can pass, man. You know, this way,
Some gas.
Go for him, let's start off.
Stop
We're
for
going
the
to-
time in the morning.
But me not to gas it. I mix it, some pick up now.
Where man?
Where you want to?
So that I
Bomb
pop
clock,
any
you see
spoon
what I
that.
see me what I mean, I'll be trying.
How the trustee? Stop doing all that money.
Trust them, some in the bank. Cigarette, we don't trust no man in here.
So you tell him.
Oh, cigarette, we don't trust in that morning.
Alright.
Stop doing all that money.
You see, first thing with cigarette, for the car, one and go in the mouth, I can't take it back, you know.
We don't take it back.
Money you take. You have to just wait till the money comes. God bless, boy.
You're looking at Bob McLeod, what
But,
you stop there, man. God, I want my father. I don't know God and my father, man. Stop it, man. You don't know father, man. Okay. You don't know father, man. You know God and my father, man. How I'm doing?
Oh, it's a fight. I'm going to say one big one. I'm thinking I unruly one.
I know that Peter, I'm going to find some back in the days, you know. A PS no in back for me, you know.
We go for all fuck, you know. All fuck, you
Remember, see a little man, you know, so I see like a me, you know. I went to Philip beat me, man. Yo, I see that Philip beat me, I said, 200 thing.
You see that you there?
What kind of business man?
You see Keith? Yo, Rata and Keith. Cherry or something. Jumper.
Keith, check
Oh,
up.
man, now push me where now go. You see me, Rata and Keith, one at a time we are so. Me and Keith and Rata, Cherry. Me bomb, boy, you see Keith? Better in change overall.
No, I rum changing me, man.
Yo, man, in change overall. In change in every
I
style.
can't cause I made my people but you see, you know, me never, even when I'm in the past. He said, Mr. Right, Mr. Johnson. The guy said, Joe, make that shit fuck out.
Yeah, follow your living.
Follow you, Joe.
And you see them a pass? I'm there on the veranda, I check on the phone. So let me go sit in the place, money on the phone, see him look up and I say,
You can't take pain of my more, yeah, man.
And one time this got motor, me see, me say,
He's sitting wrong with him. So I start with a blood.
He drive me Garfield and drive me come back.
Sitting wrong with him, man.
The time come back, he say,
Sitting wrong with him.
drive back in
Combination 1 million stool, yeah.
I'm going to ask you a question.
Well, woman.
You think, if Keith get back to in your life right now,
And Jumper, you know that thing today, if a member say he knows the man and father, in our shot. No.
Yo,
hot-head business. Yeah, man, in a short period of time. Yeah, but yes, me know what you say for real. All that too. Him always a cost when our president don't have money as a cost, but
he put that on him.
we know, but remember say mother used to like. Yeah.
No. He love target more than him, man.
But him mother always.
Like him mother left him on the wrong side of the road, so him mother say stop him. And the bike come and you know you and he run out on the bike and the bike click him and he hide and you and Jack move. You see from ninja, nothing from him. And 4 days after.
Oh, Starboy?
Yeah. And 4 days after.
All they take are still in Fiki in later days, you know.
Come so, and he's young so. In your him up. And that's for weeks. I feel all that.
That can long term, long effect too.
Yeah.
But me know you see to jump off for real. Hey, relationship, hey, relation, woman thing, I don't know. Blood clot. I know part of tan. I mean, where? Never seen nobody. Different side of different. You must say a different direction of family. We are Keith in a family. We are Keith in a family. Are you Keith maybe because you're there with Miss Rose? Because you're there because maybe you live with Miss Rose them say, but we are Keith in a family.
Miss Rose always tell me say I miss you. Of course.
So we just have no see come back. We know
she always tell me say I miss you.
You know what's going to say have a mash shit, brother. Try to cut out anything you go through.
Yes, Mr. Wilson. Don't let chick be with them at time.
Hello, don't put them video on me, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Hello.
I'm just joking here.
I can't really say storm blow.
That's see boy take a beer, you know. Think blood clot don't care. Yes, don't care. Alright, big belly. Alright, David.
I like how the contact and put my tell and he come voice and he watch and he say, oh, what Jack and naturally drink. My brother go for some Jack and play from and he just walk one to one film. Pass with them the money and film. You understand? You see when
You know, pack with that, man. Coffee and pack out of him. Yeah, we get blood clot.
What is you want tobacco, boss?
Yeah.
some of them ganja and have it time.
Instead of who have his mama say, he was like last night, you know.
This time,
I split the fire last night.
Birds ganja, man.
I split the fire last night.
Yeah, man, please. Birds ganja,
what kind of ganja?
Yesterday,
Bana, give me a buck with the banana.
Diana ganja, you know.
You barely a buck.
Remember Chrissy Dunn?
Let me ganja there, and a type of ganja.
A backyard ganja.
Backyard ganja.
But you see it, you know, kind of even people.
You know, see, when I tell them I put the video time back, and smoke it, I ask if they ask me. Come from me, look for the and see, I don't want to do nothing.
Hold on, fam, probably wake up, nobody see him.
Oh, yeah, sort
You
out,
don't
man.
say wake up. You sleep?
I was saying sleep, man.
When you sleep?
Oh, I feel weird.
What feel you this day?
Can't live for one. Can't live for one.
Find something catching up.
We drink and we cook yesterday to ask. And in chat in my drink, in chat in my eat. When in my eat.
Oh, you're busy, I walk up on my machine.
A breakfast.
Let's see your breakfast. No.
Right here.
Yeah, man, I'm having no cheese. What's up, my blood clot? Don't get that's a beer, national. National.
Whoa, I'm going now.
Party, man. That's good, man.
No better to do, man.
Aye.
No better to do, man.
Hey, go feel like going along.
No.
It's a testing road.
Yeah. I'll be right for a while. You know what I mean?
Oh, you're cool ribbons, man.
Yeah.
You see man, you see record they come to River Road. With this big old fat Jeep on it.
You see what is man on?
Yo, the peanut give one of that one like you for one day.
Yeah man, because you just take me for
And give one cheese. You know one bush.
Oh, man, I just
Yo, hey. She was skiffy chopper in the way. You know, can realize in past is still, you know.
Find a studio at least. No, man, find a studio. Now, let me do it out here.
Give me dog, give me life.
No, man, we soon drop, man. We soon go wash up that, man.
Oh, me running me. Give me dog, give me love.
you have a big
You know, you go for meet and come again.
Mix.
Everything there, we are fast, man. I don't get
yourself.
Yo, right there, jump and she start like
She start a long time.
Yo, national, I'm not going to come on and send jumper.
Then your bumper clad.
What do you mean? When you back? Yeah, yourself.
Yeah, see me at fridge.
You know, sister, so we want to you to bottom. I want brown and white one. What do PhD?
Big tip.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
Close to certain people in the early morning, you know, so they know there's something not right. Something not right in our district, something go on.
Alright, sir.
So people assess what go on in our district, you know.
Okay.
Assessment that go on in our morning, yeah.
Let me get it down.
And then you.
Bite. Bite.
Missy Show Top come already, Missy Crossroad come now, Missy Bottom Town or so.
Yes, good one.
Eat that one.
Yeah.
I make a one. Yes, sir.
Hello, mama. Morning, mom. Yeah, mom.
I don't know what tomorrow or the day after.
No, man. Even home,
Anne-Marie? Morning, mom.
I know, but I'm down still.
If I went months to do all that, I start with coffee.
Really stand good.
Them fresh pizza, them fresh.
Miss Berry.
Mama, them fresh.
Man, get sweet to fuck. See water the pan in the
Yes.
Then you see water tap in
Again, mother.
sweet to fuck.
Dian. Franco,
Because girl saying grandma name Berry, you know. Funny.
I chop that for this
Give me beer. No, man, we don't make clay go on the road, man.
So you should chop it before you start, though.
Maybe.
I start off in the walk.
Leon, sit what done the shot done before you start. You sure enough where you come from, stand good up there?
I don't know signal.
Well, make your scope.
Blood centenary.
What do?
Water place him there, no? Water they walk.
Hey.
I told him, drive with that bridge, them place they flood out.
Oh, you mean that I must tear down too?
Bad, bad. You think good, man. You think good for general, man.
You silly.
Cheap.
Yes, both of that.
Yo! We have to take it out to me now, bad man.
Cheap.
That means they not
Saying it was?
Go buy 110. 9 foot. Yes, man, you have to have it, man.
So you stay back, so would you? I saw you come from?
Sure. Again. Sure.
No, me ain't have you. Me have to make a wrong turn a while ago.
See, boss, if you choke.
Yeah, they want me to. No vehicle can move.
My boy, this gone through, you know. Saying you check if you can have your machine.
You know, God,
Keeper, why you
check.
get? No, me keeper. Don't get keeper, the fat man. No, man, the fat one.
Oh, Willing.
I know the name you know him as.
Travis.
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 Yeah,
And me, my boy say, Travis, the blood clot, I'll get you all
Travis,
good.
this gone through.
Travis.
You ain't nothing gone to yet, man. The man gone.
I impasse.
Both you get. Boy,
Find out how-
You see what I want,
find out
you
how
want
it's
to-
gone through.
no.
So what's the JP say?
But why say that thing?
Not beer.
What?
Run some black up, you know, and I pigeon come here trying to reach over.
Get the two in the water. You must say jelly now, you know.
Give me a lick off my coat. Give me a lick off my coat.
Man, man, can't roll and chop out by the on the back of the drink.
Really cool.
Read the book long time.
Long
Book read long time.
You don't want lady brand up in the rat wife. Wingy. Yeah, Wingy. None of the everything. Wingy.
Watch out, a rat on, post can
Food.
Yeah, man, I'm coming in, say, dead man, in the bed, and a blood come to me.
Yeah, man. That pity you have to die, man.
Monty, you see breadfruit? You see breadfruit?
Yeah.
You see it? It's Kaiba.
Why would they help you?
It's Kaiba.
No, man, not everything I reach. If my man, hey, me not take it last night, but I can't find nobody. So I have to turn back. You want to know the way they are waiting. You're not liar. Because you see one man out there.
Repeat that. It's a breadfruit piece, no, but my car don't lie.
You couldn't do that. Breadfruit that choke me, kill me, I do what favor. Yes. Every man up one corner.
When anytime I cut, me go cut, you know, and says, pull on PC, man.
So be there after we left, that's what happened. After we left, this happened. So me here. What's here? Come here. You must have people walk on the top.
No phone now go tell you, so people look walk and talk, you know.
You can see right there.
But they can't even think, you know.
Every phone down, man.
So nothing can miss and nothing can wrong now, you know.
More like everything.
See a mouth that he go, you know.
I say, I know you want to go back. I didn't tell you want to go back. Everything come. Let's problem with you. Something dark for you. Yeah, when him again, like cross arm, he look long stick. So one bed, one up. When one panic, he control. When he not feel it. How much say he come? So Grand Prix nice, if you have two more boys. So Grand Prix is sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Probably want to pick me, give them Grand Prix. Look more Grand Prix, give them Grand Prix. Yeah. And if you run from Grand Prix, give them tip, give them pet Grand Prix. I get them when I have 5 people. I tell them one them. One boy got one Grand Prix.
One slam out now, man. I'm just ready for slam out.
I am boy again.
Bonon man, Clive boy. Macabee boy. Maclive.
Yeah.
Perto.
So on the taxi there. Chuck him a driver now, though.
Neat one, yes. I don't twin come on, boy. I want to get it. I do good road. I don't know, because they drive them one motor up and down. See him brown on here? Yeah.